Hello friends, my name is Gokul and in this video I will tell you the yoga therapy of diabetes. Diabetes is a disorder in the metabolism of sugar. So for every work we need energy. So from where we get energy? Definitely from the sugar, because the sugar is broken down into glucose and from glucose we get the energy. And the glucose is metabolized by a hormone, that is the insulin, which is secreted by a gland, the pancreas, which is a endocrine as well as the exocrine gland, and it is located just behind the stomach. So when this pancreas is under stress, so the insulin becomes deficient. So because of that, sugar level increases into the bloodstream. So what are the causes? Definitely the obesity, lack of exercise, a diet which contains high in sugars and carbohydrates. So these are the primary causes, but as well as stress is also another cause. If somebody is under stress, a hormone adrenaline is released by the adrenal glands. So because of that, the sugar level increases into the bloodstream. So this is the case. So if a person remains under stress for a longer duration of his life, so definitely the blood sugar level increases. So to metabolize the sugar level, insulin has to be released by the pancreas. So that means the pancreas has to work regularly and continuously. So after some time the pancreas becomes tired, and in this way the pancreas release less insulin. Sometimes they stop working. So this is the case. So there are actually two types of diabetes. In the first case, it is with the younger people, so it is less common. So the reason behind that, it is a genetic problem, and sometimes mental trauma is also the cause. And the second one, it is more common, it is a disease or disorder for the people who are middle-aged. So why? Because definitely the reason behind that they do less exercise, they are obese, they take diet which contains sugars and carbohydrates in high quantity. So that is the case. Now what is the therapy? So a yoga therapy includes asanas, pranayamas, and definitely shatkarmas, relaxation and meditation and diet. So these things. So first of all, what asanas are beneficial? So there are many asanas which can give benefits if somebody is diabetic, like the sun salutation, like the cobra pose. But the asana, like the half spinal twist pose, or in Hindi it is called the ardha matsayendra asana, it is very beneficial. The simple reason behind that, the pancreas located just behind the stomach. So if somebody practices this ardha matsayendra asana or half spinal twist pose, it gives some kind of pressure on the pancreas. So in this way it stimulates pancreas to release insulin. So that's why this is very beneficial. The other asanas are also beneficial, but when somebody practices the other asanas, they give less pressure, so the pancreas are stimulated partially. Okay, the second thing is the pranayamas. So the first one is alternate nostril breathing, or the nadi shodhan pranayama. So when somebody practices the alternate nostril breathing, at that time the abdomen goes in, and for this purpose, when abdomen goes in, it gives some kind of pressure on the pancreas. So this pressure stimulates the pancreas, and pancreas secretes the insulin. So definitely it is going to metabolize the sugar level into the bloodstream. And Kapalbhati in the same manner helps, and Bhastrika also is beneficial for the diabetes as well. Now the shatkarmas, like if somebody practices the kunjal kriya, it is a conscious vomiting, like we have to take 4 to 5 glasses of warm and saline water and we have to vomit it. So it is beneficial because it purifies the internal body, removes the toxins, so that's why it is beneficial. The next one is the relaxation, like if somebody practices the yoga nidra, so it is beneficial, and meditation as well. So why the yoga nidra and meditation are beneficial? Because stress is also cause for the diabetes. So by practicing meditation and the yoga nidra, these practices relaxes the mind. So the adrenal glands stops releasing the adrenaline. So in this way it is beneficial and sugar level is going to be controlled. And the last one is the diet. Definitely, if you just balance your diet, if you take a diet which is less in carbohydrate and sugars, so definitely the person will get benefits from this. So this is the yoga therapy. Still you have any questions, you can comment below, and if you like the video you can subscribe the channel. There is a subscribe button on the right side. So keep watching my videos. Goodbye.